Hello guys, welcome to another video, and I got another package here for you guys, and this is actually a continuation from my mechanical pencil series. And in this particular package here, I should have 3 mechanical pencils in here, which I will do an unboxing on all 3 of them. So that should be a Pentel Kerry mechanical pencil. This should be a gift box version of it. And the way I'm touching it, it feels like there might actually be one there. And then I actually bought 2 of them. I bought the blue version of the Pentel Kerry, and then I also bought a black version of the Pentel Kerry Black Edition. Then I also have an Avion Aluminum mechanical pencil in here too. It's a magnetic controlled pencil. So this is a 2.0mm pencil in here as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. And let's get into the goodies here. First, I don't want to show the other side of this package because it's got like shipping information in here, and I don't really want to disclose any of that stuff. So actually got that one, and okay, so that's inside there. Alrighty. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. Okay, which end shall we do first? We shall okay, let's leave the Avion for a second here, and let's go for the black. I'll open them both up anyway, so you guys can kind of see it. Oh, this is actually the tab actually broke while in shipping on this one here. Wow, this it's small. It's small and nice all at the same time. This is kind of like a twist tab. Okay, so it's just a snap cap. And okay, oh, this is actually pretty small. This actually would be pretty good for pockets. Actually, you can actually click on the top here and actually be able to use the mechanical pencil as well. There's actual leads in here. Okay, so this actually snaps on top here. So you gotta kind of press down so that it kind of snaps. Okay. Is there actually an eraser in this? How do you... You're telling me this in here, you actually gotta... Okay, this must be one of those things where you actually gotta feed the lead through the front here. Because it's hard to tell if there's actually something inside or not. But this pencil is actually pretty small without the cap in place. But it's really nice. I like this texture here. It's really pretty cool. And you can't really feel the texture, but it's pretty nice. And this here, I like how the way this tapers. This is made out of metal, or aluminum I guess we'd call it. Just like the way this is designed, where you use the top of the cap here to kind of control your pencil from here. That's actually pretty neat. and let's see what's the writing experience like with this. So these are 0.7 millimeter pencils. Let's get my signature pad here. This is a little weird. But it's actually comfortable to write with. I don't know if this would be one of those pencils where I would want to do long writing sessions with. Maybe if my hands are slightly smaller, I'd probably feel comfortable. But take some quick notes or whatnot, it's actually pretty nice. Pretty nice mechanical pencil. And this bottom here feels like you don't unscrew at all. I'm just still wondering if you have to, if you still need to kind of, because it kind of feels like it wants to go. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so it does come off. It does say come off. Is there any lids inside? Oh, there's actually quite a bit of lids in here. Okay, so unfortunately there is no eraser with this. With this particular mechanical pencil. So just keep that in mind if you guys are interested in buying it. So no eraser with this here whatsoever. And I'm pretty sure this one here is the same thing. I'll just take it out of the package just for the heck of it. I don't know what's nicer, if it's this blue or the black. I actually like this blue quite a bit too. Very nice mechanical pencils. Very nice. Wow. And they're actually pretty balanced. Like it's they feel a little slightly heavier than a Graphica 5000. It's not as heavy as a Graphica 1000, but it almost, if you look at the video here, right, it looks like you get this big cap here. It doesn't really add very much weight to the pencil. It kind of keeps it balanced, so I guess that's kind of a good thing. But yeah, pretty cool pencils. I like them actually. So let's put these off to the side here, and let's check out this Avion aluminum mechanical pencil. So this actually came with different colors. I actually ended up getting the what color did I get? Blue. I got a blue version. And let's cut this here. Hopefully they sent me the right color. And let's see here. Now I've been looking at this on Amazon and whatnot, and this almost feels like it uses proprietary leads. Wow, this is pretty nice too. Okay, so there's a ring here. And then there's, okay, cool. So what's this? This is a sharpener? This must be a sharpener. So that's a sharpener. Then of course it comes with some leads. Now push. So these are two 2Bs. Of course, 0.2 millimeter. So there's 12 pieces in here. Okay, so this actually has a okay, so I see. So there's actually a handle on here. You push upwards, and this actually opens, so you can get to the lead. So, okay, so this looks like it just takes regular lead. So I thought this was supposed to be some type of special lead, but doesn't look like it is. Okay, here's the actual pencil itself. So this ring slides up and down. That's pretty cool. Also, it feels like there's actually a magnet up here. Okay, so the top opens. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this, but hey, what the hell? I know I got the instructions there, but well, this has got a lot of threads on here. Okay, so there's an actual magnet on the top here. I'm assuming it's a magnet. Oh yeah, it's a magnet. Holy crap. It's actually a pretty strong magnet. Okay. So alright, so I'm assuming you can actually change out different rings. Or maybe not. Okay, I'll have to figure out what that's for. It feels like it's kind of magnetized there, as you can see. Okay, so let's oh, it even comes with a little pouch. Huh, that's pretty cool actually. If I can figure if it's a pouch. I'll have to figure out if that's a pouch or not. But let's look at the instructions here. So, to adjust the pencil lead, unscrew the pencil head. Slide the metal ring to adjust the length of the head. Tighten the pencil head. To replace the pencil lead, open the top, which I did, and slide the metal ring and remove the pencil lead. Replace the pencil lead. Okay, so let's see if we can figure this out. So we're going to grab one of these. This is the most complicated pencil I actually have bought. Okay, so that doesn't grab onto there. So this slides into here like so, but it doesn't fit. So am I missing something here? Maybe I'm missing something. Unless there's a leads in here already. Oh, okay. So there actually is a lead in here. Oh, okay. Well, that's actually pretty cool. Alright. So this is actually a pretty powerful magnet. This actually just fits on it. Okay, I see. I get it. Alrighty. Hey, I can put this one back. So this just takes regular leads. Well, regular 2mm leads. Okay. So you actually got to undo the bottom to get this lead out. Alright. You got this ring here that controls the lead. Okay, and then of course this fits on here, just like that. Alright, so you actually undo this and you actually control the lead with this magnetic ring. That's actually pretty cool. I'll actually clean. That's actually pretty cool. So now what's this for? Oh, okay, I see. Is this to actually... So I'm assuming... Okay, so I'm assuming that this ring here is actually placed on the bottom to actually undo this, so you can kind of tighten it. That's what I'm assuming what it's for. And then this is your sharpener. Of course, you have to. I'm assuming this is a sharpener. So this opens. It almost looks like there's a magnifying glass there too. So yeah, it almost feels like this is a magnifying glass as well. That's interesting. Alright, so sharpener, I guess the grip for the bottom here to undo it. Of course. So this is interesting how this works. So you basically have to kind of hold it. Interesting concept, actually. It's a nice pencil. Pretty cool. We're going to see what the writing experience is with this one. Of course, this doesn't come with an eraser either. And of course, got a whole bunch of little small parts to come along with it, which I guess it's not a very good thing. But you can kind of just undo this with your hand. Just don't overdo it to kind of get it where you want it, to be. But it doesn't feel heavy at all, actually. Even though it's got this ring on top here, it's actually pretty balanced. Let's see here, but it is very smooth. I can tell you that it's very slippery. There is no like texture to give you any grip, no nothing on here at all. Actually, it's a very nice to write with. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice to write with. And of course, then if you want to sharpen it, undo this. You're gonna have to bring it forward, right? And then take it. Sharpen. You can actually probably I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that or not. You can actually see the lead. You can actually see the lead in there. Of course, so then you want to take this back because you don't want to have this lead exposed too much. There we go. Avion aluminum mechanical pencil. When I saw this one on Amazon, I had to kind of get it because it's unique, very unique. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's pretty much my quick impressions of these mechanical pencils. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, or if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you watched my other videos and you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. It helps me out. And until the next video, goodbye.